क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि स्कूल बसेस हमेशा येलो क्यों होती है? मॉल्स में सेल साइन बोर्ड्स हमेशा रेड ही क्यों होते हैं? या फिर हॉस्पिटल में नर्सेस की यूनिफॉर्म कभी रेड या ब्लैक कलर की क्यों नहीं होती? इमेजिन करिए अपने बिल्डिंग के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को पिंक कलर की यूनिफॉर्म में। साउंड्स फनी राइट? ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हर रंग हमारे दिमाग में एक या कई इमोशंस इवोक करते हैं। इसे हम साइकोलॉजी ऑफ कलर्स भी कहते हैं। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर क्रिएटिव एज यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम सुरभि, योर डिजाइन buddy and a proud NIFT alumni. And today we are diving deep into the captivating world of color psychology and emotions. Have ever noticed the colors can impact your mood or trigger specific feelings? Well, today we are going to explore the science behind color psychology and how it affects our emotion. But before getting on to the video, you already know the drill. Make sure कि आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना ना भूलें. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First, let's start by understanding what color psychology is. Color psychology is the study of how different colors can influence human behavior, thoughts and emotion. It's a field that dwells into the psychology and emotional impact of colors on our minds. अब एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. सपोज आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई ओन केटरिंग बिजनेस जिनके लोगोज हैं ये. आपको क्या लगता है इन चारों में से सबसे टेस्टी फूड कौन सा केटरिंग सर्विस ऑफर करेगा? अगर आप नॉर्मल लोगों की तरह सोचते हैं तो आपने भी ऑप्शन 2 ही चूज किया होगा. इट इज़ बिकॉज ईच कलर कॉजेज अ सर्टेन रिएक्शन इन अवर hypothalamus which affect our mood, heart rate, alertness and impulsivity. In this case, our body's biological response to red which raised our heart rate and blood pressure to cause us to want to tear through the favorite food item as fast as we can. Here are some common color association. The first is red. Red हमारे ब्रेन में strong emotion evoke करता है जैसे कि love, passion and desire. It can also evoke excitement, energy and integrity. In addition to love and passion, red often associate with the courage, strength and determination. Red danger को भी signify करता है and it is also used to draw attention and create a sense of urgency. सेकेंड इज ब्लू जो कि जाना जाता है अपने कामिंग एंड सूदिंग इफेक्ट्स के लिए. इट इज इवोक फीलिंग्स ऑफ सेरेनिटी, ट्रैंक्विलिटी एंड रिलैक्सेशन. लाइटर ब्लू ज़्यादा पीसफुल होता है वाइल डार्क ब्लूज मे फील मोर सोलेम. Blue is often associated with trust, reliability and loyalty. It can also symbolize intelligence and wisdom. In some cases, it's used to represent sadness of a sense of melancholy. It is one of the most formal colors. So अगली बार जब आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं तो make sure to wear blue. Third is green, which is linked to feeling of growth, nature and harmony. It can evoke a sense of balance, calm and rejuvenation. Brighter greens are often associated with energy and vitality. Green को हम common हेल्थ, रिन्यूअल एंड फर्टिलिटी के साथ भी रिलेट करते हैं. इट इज़ यूज्ड टू सिंबलाइज एनवायरमेंटल कंसिस्टेंस, फ्रेशनेस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. फोर्थ है येलो जो कि पूरे कलर व्हील में सबसे ज़्यादा हैप्पी कलर है. येलो इज़ अ कलर दैट ब्राइटन्स अप द फीलिंग ऑफ happiness, optimism and warmth. It can be energizing and cheerful, making it an attention grabbing color. Yellow is often associated with joy, creativity and intellect. It can symbolize hope and positivity. However, in excess, it can also link to the feeling of caution and anxiety. Fifth color है black. Black इस तरह का इमोशन इवोक कर सकता है इंक्लूडिंग sophistication, elegance and power. It can also create a sense of mystery, depth and formality. Black is often used to represent authority, strength and luxury. It's a classic choice for formal events and high-end products. However, it can also symbolize mourning and sadness. Sixth color है white, which is often associated with purity, cleanliness and simplicity. It can create a sense of peace, calm and clarity. White is also used in minimalistic design to convey openness and purity, while innocence and purity को symbolize भी करता है. It often used to wedding to represent the start of a new beginning of togetherness. However, it can also signify serenity or emptiness or certain context. Seventh color है orange. Orange एक warm और vibrant color है, which often evokes the feeling of enthusiasm, energy and excitement. It's a color that can uplift the mood and inspire creativity. Orange is commonly associated with warmth, adventure and enthusiasm. It can also symbolize friendliness and confidence and a sense of vitality. Eighth color है purple. पर्पल इज अ कलर ऑफ लग्जरी एंड मिस्ट्री। ये सफेस्टिकेशन, क्रिएटिविटी एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी जैसे फीलिंग्स को इवोक करता है। लाइटर पर्पल कैन फील मोर रोमांटिक while the deeper purple shade may feel more introspective. Purple is frequently associated with royalty, power and ambition. It is some context it can represent extravagance and exclusivity. Ninth color है pink. It is a soft and soothing color that is often associated with the feeling of love, affection and tenderness. It can create a sense of calm and comfort. पिंक लव एंड रोमांस एंड कंपैशन को भी सिंबलाइज करता है। इट्स ऑफन यूज टू कन्वे अ सेंस ऑफ स्वीटनेस एंड फेमिनिटी एंड नर्चरिंग। लाइटर शेड्स ऑफ पिंक कैन रिप्रेजेंट इनोसेंस एंड प्लेफुलनेस। 10th एंड द लास्ट कलर इज ब्राउन, विच इज अ वार्म एंड earthy color that can evoke a sense of stability, comfort and reliability. It can often create the feeling of security and warmth. ब्राउन को हम सिंप्लिसिटी एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी के साथ रिलेट करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर ऑफ मदर अर्थ। इन सम केसेस it can also symbolize the nature, world and organic materials. Now let's explore some practical application of color psychology. First is marketing. Company uses color psychology to influence consumer behavior and brand perception. We'll dwell into how color choice impact advertising and product packaging. Second is interior design. The color you choose for your home influences your mood and well-being. We'll discuss how to select the right color for different rooms. Third is fashion. The color you wear can affect your emotions and how others perceive you. You will provide some stylish tips based on the color psychology. In conclusion, color psychology is a fascinating tool can be harnessed to create the desired emotion impact in various aspects of our lives. Understanding how colors affect our emotion can help us inform decision and design, branding and personal well-being. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on psychology, design and fashion and much more. As well, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for joining us today and I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet next time, stay creative and keep chasing your dreams. Bye.